Alright, so in order to replicate this really well crafted yet aesthetically looking home screen setup, which I'd like to call as glass tiles, step 1 would be to download Nova Launcher and set that as your default launcher. Now once you've done that, get into your Nova Launcher settings, click on look and feel, and then you will see an option called as show notification bar. Well, make sure to go ahead and disable that, so this will basically give us this really nice and immersive edge to edge effect. And yeah, this just makes the home screen setup look really minimal and clean as well. Now once you have done that, get back into your Nova settings. This time click on home screen settings and set the desktop grid by 12 into 12. After that, set the icon size to about 63%. Then you click on dock and disable the dock. Now go back, this time click on app drawer and you will see an option called as swipe indicator, so make sure to disable that. Next up, you'll have to go ahead and change your wallpaper. So this wallpaper is from an application called as Fresh Walls. Now I do not remember the exact name of this wallpaper, so I'll make sure to drop the direct download link down below in the description, so you can definitely go ahead and download it from there. Well, next up, you'll have to go ahead and change your icon pack. So for this setup, I'm using an icon pack called as the Delta icon pack. So the Delta icon pack in general is a pretty old icon pack. It supports plenty of different icons and it is, this really well crafted pastel themed icons, and personally I think these icons blend in really well with this wallpaper. And now talking about the widgets, then for this setup you will require KWGT and the KWGT Pro key, but the first KWGT plugin which is used in this video is called as Nebbia for KWGT, and the widget number is 068. Now this widget contains a lot of elements like date and time, weather, battery life, and apart from that we can pause, play, and skip to the next and previous track with this widget as well. And apart from that, we can also increase and decrease the volume right from this widget, so we do not have to reach all the way to the volume rockers every single time. So this widget makes this setup not only look aesthetically pleasing, but it's super functional as well. But the next KWGT plugin used in this video is called as Blended for KWGT, and the widget number is A_05. Now even this widget has quite a few elements. So yeah, first up we have a Google search bar. Now apart from that, with this widget we can directly open Google Chrome as well, and also messages, phone dialer, and Gmail at the same time. So yeah, it's a super useful and versatile widget. Now as usual, you'll find the direct download link of the wallpaper followed by my Nova Launcher backup file and all the apps used to create this setup in the description box down below. So definitely make sure to check it out, and well, I'll leave you guys with that. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you liked this video. If you did, be sure to drop a like, subscribe to the channel, and I'll catch you guys in my next one. Peace out.